Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta. I'm so happy to meet you all again in this video. I'm fine and I hope you all fine too. Today we are going to talk about the joy of sharing. Yes, when we share something with our friends or with our family members, they feel happy and we feel more than them. This picture was taken when I was 5 years old on my birthday, and my dad bought me a cake. I shared the cake with my friends and with my family members. I was happy like anything. We are born to share, right? Not only the cake, the resources of the earth with the species on the earth. Yes, the earth doesn't belong only to us, it belongs to each and every species on the earth. Can you see the Jenga tower in the screen? Yes. Can you take any one block without destroying it? Don't say I will take the block from the top. Can you accept the house without the roof as a house? No. And imagine the living beings as a Jenga blocks and the Jenga tower as an ecosystem. If the disappearance of any species could have a big impact to that ecosystem, it will be the impact on the whole thing, like how Jenga tower depends on each pieces and it becomes unstable as pieces are removed or rearranged. So the disappearance of any species called extinction. If any species get extinct, it will affect the whole thing, whole ecosystem. How it is happening? To know about it, we'll talk about hippo. The hippo is not an animal we are going to talk about. It is an acronym which means here H for habitat loss, I for invasive species, and P for pollution, another P for population, and O for over consuming. These are the factors which cause the species extinction. Each and every species are important to the ecosystem, right? First, let's talk about habitat loss. For our need, for our construction, for our purpose, we are destructing their places. It cause the habitat loss for them, for the particular species, and particular species get extinct. Large white or the butterflies get extinct because of their habitat loss. And polluting the earth, water, and air is making the climatic change, and it is affecting their life. See, it is not only for us, it is for all the species on the earth, as we discussed. So if we affect the resources of the earth, it is affecting their life also. So the particular species getting extinct here. For instance, golden toad is a species got extinct because of the pollution we made. And our next factor is population. Due to more population, we are occupying their place. It causes the habitat loss. Over consuming of resources is affecting their life. Passenger pigeon is a species which gets extinct because of hunting them a lot. And we didn't discuss about invasive species. Yes, our ecosystem is built carefully and designed beautifully. Species are there all over the world according to their surrounding, and they have the features and special characteristics to handle their environment, to be in particular place. If we change their place from one place to another place, it affects their life. See, they can live there happily, but when we are changing the place of particular animal or bird or plant, it couldn't accept the surrounding, it couldn't accept the environment it needs. We love dogs. We are getting dogs from foreign countries, and this climate doesn't support that particular species, so it couldn't live in this particular place in a new surroundings. And red fox is an animal which came from British to Australia, and it affects other animals and plants in Australia. So it is invasive species. There are so many reasons like this for the extinction of particular species, and we should not be the reason for this. So let us share the resources of the earth. We are born to share the resources of the earth with the species on the earth. We are not only here for sharing resources, we are here for sharing our responsibilities too. So keep sharing the resources, and keep sharing responsibilities. Thank you. Have a nice day.